Welcome back, guys. Now we have a question from the topic matrices, and let us see what is the question. The question is that if a matrix has 18 elements, we have to find the possible orders for this matrix. And the second part is we have to find the order if it has 5 elements. So let us see. Okay. So suppose we have a matrix A and its order is m into n. Then suppose m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. So let us draw the matrix. The number of rows is 1 and the number of columns is 2. So we have 2 elements, which implies that the number of elements in this matrix is equal to A1 into 2. Similarly, for any matrix with the order m cross n, the number of elements in that matrix are m into n, mn. The multiplication of the order or the multiplication of the rows and columns. So we are given that we have 18 elements and we have to find the values of m cross n. We have to find the pairs of m into n. So this question is pretty straightforward. This question simply says that find the factor of 18. So the factors of 18 are 1 into 18 or 18 into 1. Both the matrices are different. The first matrix has 1 row and 18 columns. The second matrix has 18 rows and 1 column. Similarly, 2 into 9, 9 into 2, 3 into 6 and 6 into 3. What? It has 5 elements. So for 5 elements, suppose we have 1 row, then 5 columns. And it's vice versa, that is 5 columns and 1 row. Now let us see if we can have 2 rows. If 2 rows, then 2.5 columns. This is not possible. Similarly, 3 into something decimal, not possible. 4 into something decimal, not possible. And at last, we have 5 into 1 column. So that's our final answer. I hope you all got it. Thank you.